All right, everybody, welcome back. Back in the backyard today. I think it's January. No, skip January. July the 10th, and we're back in the backyard, and we're gonna be harvesting a few things today as well. And hopefully, we're gonna make this quick. Uh, Before I get started, I'm gonna show you this side right here, and I kind of got an experiment going with the cucumber plants and the watermelon. Now I don't know how that's gonna turn out because, as you can see, the cucumber plant is everywhere, and the watermelon is like all mixed in there. So it's too late now to change anything, but I'm hoping that it'll turn out. We get some nice melons out of this. I'm not worried about the cucumbers because those are abundant, and we're gonna be picking a few of those today. We got one right here. You can see it sitting right there. So I might pick a few of those today. And then over here, I'm gonna show y'all this. These are string beans. And like I said before, I never had string beans that grow like this. Now there was a path in here between the tomatoes and this. And I had no idea that these things would grow like this. They're going crazy. And so, I don't know, I might have to cut it back or move it back or something. I really don't want to disturb them because they are flowering like that. And they're gonna be putting on string beans soon. I got some of them got little baby ones on there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And we're gonna be harvesting some of these blueberries again. And the squash won't be ready until later on. These, I guess they're supposed to turn yellow. These are supposed to turn yellow. So right now they're not near ready. And we're gonna harvest some of these snap peas today. A few of those. These are kind of hanging in a couple of places. And some eggplant. So let me go ahead and get started, get back here and see what I can get. Earlier today, real fast, she harvested some stevia. What did you get? Stevia, basil. This is oregano. What's this? Rosemary or lavender? This chamomile.
And like some peppermint, spearmint. You already said rosemary.
Yeah, rosemary and some thyme right there, right? Here's the rosemary right there. So yeah, I harvested some of these herbs today, and also this is stevia right here. So we got a bunch of herbs that we harvested, and she's harvesting these. She's eating my blueberries. She's eating my blueberries, people. Can you hand me them scissors over there? I'll just toss you these peppers when I get back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk through here. So actually what I'm gonna do, we'll show y'all what we get when we get done, because I'm not gonna go back there and do all that, a lot of picking and stuff, It's gonna take too much time on the video. So I'll just show you what we get when I get done. Okay, so we just did a quick garden pick of a few things we harvested out the backyard. And so this is what we have. Got some pickling cucumbers, pick some more lettuce, eggplant, blueberries, some more peppers, banana peppers, hot banana, and some jalapeno peppers. So this is what we got today, July the 8th, July 10th. And there's more eggplants on the vine, as you can see, right there. So pollinator right there. Pollinating the string bean plant. But what I wanted to say real quick is that I normally wouldn't plant my cucumbers and the watermelon like that. It's like I said, everything is an experiment. This right here, so I hope this turns out okay. I'm gonna try not to get inside the bed too much as possible, because I don't want to disturb the plants in there, especially the watermelon plants. Cucumbers, they go abundant. You can see it's trying to grow over this tomato plant right here, and they're growing out the yard up this way, along with the watermelon plants. So the bees are all in there too. So hopefully we get some watermelons. I seen some baby watermelons in there as well when I was in there looking for the cucumbers. Whew, boy. But those string beans right there, I just don't know what I'm gonna do. So, because I want the tomatoes to get some sunlight. And there's a lot of tomatoes on these plants. And there's an abundant amount of them. They're everywhere. So, they're full of tomatoes. Everywhere. As far as everywhere you see in the back, tomatoes are everywhere. But I want them to get some sunlight. And these string beans have come all the way across, crossed over. And they just pretty much filled that whole gap in. So like I said, I had no idea they would get that big. Anyway, I think that's it. What I'm gonna do for now. Why is that plant leaning over in the back? Let me go check this out real quick. I see, oh, okay. The eggplant is leaning over. And maybe because of the weight of the eggplant that's on there. Maybe I need to cut it off. See, these are a different kind of eggplant right here. So this might actually be ready. You see, it's got some smaller ones growing on there. There's one on the other side, right down there. So they actually might be ready. Yeah, that's it for now. So there's a squash down there. And I think that's it. I'm not gonna do too much talking on this one. I think, yeah, these are potato plants back this way. And we just harvested some more of this lettuce out of here. So anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all get out there and grow something. Peace.